Meanwhile, winners of the recent Miss Earth Philippines beauty pageant may be seen on the road, encouraging qualified voters to register. That is, if they accept James Jimenez's invitation for them to join the Waka Waka information drive. Again, here's Haji Camino.
Clean elections is the main objective of the Commission on Elections with regards not only to the accuracy of vote turnouts but also caring for the environment. COMELEC spokesman Director James Jimenez stressed the importance of having a green elections in 2016. That's why he invited the ambassadors of beauty and the environment to join the walk, the recent winners of the 2014 Miss Philippines Earth pageant.
Waka Waka is officially inviting the recent winners of the Miss Earth Philippines to come join us for a brief walk, a kilometer or so, to promote a shared advocacy, green elections.
The major advocacy of the prestigious pageant is conducting environment-friendly activities. The poll body is one with Miss Philippines Earth in ensuring a green environment in the country.
Part of Waka Waka's objectives is to promote clean elections, not just clean because of accurate and faithful results, but also clean because of caring for the environment, in the sense of caring for the environment. This is in line with the COMELEC's own thrust to promote green elections, like we encourage the use of biodegradable materials. So I think it's a perfect fit for the advocacy of Miss Earth to join ours.
Jimenez believes the partnership between COMELEC and Miss Earth will boost public awareness regarding the biometrics and registration for the coming elections. The COMELEC spokesperson officially invited the organizers of Miss Earth to join them in walking to promote information dissemination.
The purpose of Waka Waka has always been to attract attention to the advocacies of the COMELEC, clean elections, biometrics, voter registration. By adding the winners of Miss Earth Philippines 2014 to the walk, we're bringing in a whole different audience, an concern with caring for the environment. And I think that will be the greatest impact of their joining our walk. Magiging mas malawak ang reach ng ating ginagawa. Of course, whether or not you join us, congratulations for winning. You're the most beautiful women in the Philippines today. So that's something really worth celebrating. And we do hope that you can join us so that we can give you our congratulations in person.
Meanwhile, Waka Waka campaign continues tomorrow as the team heads to San Fernando City, where a fun run will be held this Saturday. Together with cameraman Ramel Tagbas for the People's Television Network, Haji Camino, La Union.